If you want to see all 8 nail polish looks I sported during the month of May and see me reveal the next 2 nail polishes I'll be playing with during the month of June, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène and welcome back, or if it's your first time, welcome to HMM Makeup or Makeup. And today is specific to nail polish because I am going to go and reveal a couple of more nail polishes from this advent calendar from Ciaté, London. Thanks to my friend Steph who sent it to me for Christmas. Thank you, Steph. Thank you. And so we'll do that, a couple of nail polishes. But first, I want to walk you through the 8 different nail polish looks from the month of May, which I did indicate right at the beginning. And yeah, I think they were all pretty different. And I did include in one single look the 2 nail polishes that I revealed last month. So let's take a look at the whole set. It's usually 2 nail polishes per look. Oh, and by the way, if you are curious about this look, you can take a look at the link on the screen and it will take you to a Juvia's Place video. And I go step by step and create this look, and you can see everything I used and how I applied the eyeshadow. You're welcome. Now back to the video. And for the first look of the month, I just felt like going a little vampy, and so I ended up creating a look with these 2. This one on my left, your right, is Dangerous Affair, and this one is from Ciaté, as you can tell, and this other one is from Deborah Lippmann called Crimson and Clover, and they just were a match made in heaven. I loved it, and I would absolutely not hesitate to do this pairing for an event where red is de rigueur. It would be normal to wear red, such as Valentine's Day or to go to a gala. I would definitely pair these together again. I had done it in the past. I knew I loved it and did it again and absolutely did not regret. Like I said, the look was absolutely beautiful. Now this next pairing would look lovely with what I'm wearing. It's not a purple pairing, but purple and pink go well together. And it is another Ciaté and Deborah Lippmann pairing. Apparently I was enjoying putting those 2 brands together. This one is called Sweet Treats. And then this one from Deborah Lippmann is Living Out Loud. So Sweet Treats and Living Out Loud. And I do very much like to use this kind of a color as an accent color on my ring finger or pinky, and I thought that looked really, really quite nice together and was quite different from the deep red of the previous look. And then for the third look, I went sultry again. And it's not a Ciaté and Deborah Lippmann pairing, but it is a Deborah Lippmann and e.l.f. pairing. Go figure. So this was a nail polish from, I think, 2 Christmases ago from e.l.f. And this one, of course, Deborah Lippmann. And I thought they looked really, really good together. I did not mind this pairing at all. e.l.f. does not have a name for this polish. They just did it one Christmas, and I don't think they ever did it again. And for Deborah Lippmann, it is the Red Red Wine. So those are the 2 nail polishes for the 3rd look of the month. And not that different actually from the last look, which is what I'm wearing right now, which we'll get to. We'll do that one at the end. All right, the next one is that pairing I told you about the 2 nail polishes that I picked from the advent calendar last month. This was the pairing, and kind of almost like an Easter-like selection. And what I ended up doing was I ended up using one of the colors for polka dots on the other. And I thought it turned out really nicely. And it was fun, it was whimsical, I wore it on days, a string of days where I could have a a lighter pastel-y kind of fun nail look without having people give me the side eye, because I do consulting and I do speaking engagements, and a little Easter look might not always be appropriate to, you know, sport pastels. So I did have a lot of fun with it. I did keep it on for a number of days, and yeah, it was fun, whimsical, light. It made me smile every time I looked at the nails, so quite happy with how that turned out. And apparently I was in kind of a vampy mood because I did a lot of these type of deeper pairings. Another Ciaté pairing, but this time with a Sephora color hit option, and I thought this was quite nice. If you are wondering about this because it's gorgeous, I don't blame you. It is called Dark Matter from Ciaté, and this other one is hard to read, and it is called Dream Escapade from Sephora. So that is those two colors, and I thought they turned out quite nicely as a mix together. I don't know if I'd ever done that pairing before, but something similar for sure. And this next one, I do know that I've done a pairing of these two. This is one I'm a big fan of. It's a black nail polish, but I had purchased it initially for Halloween, and I end up using it as an everyday nail polish. And in this case, I did pair it with a Ciaté paint pot in silver lining, and that was my accent nail. Was had a coat of silver lining on it. And this one is Crème Noire, or Black Crème, from Wet n Wild, and I really do like this nail polish a whole lot, and I'm quite running out, and I hope they still have the black nail polish from Wet n Wild, because I really like the nail polish, and it has, I don't know if they still use this packaging, but look at the length of the applicator. It just feels like I have more control in the nail polish application. I really like this bottle type from Wet n Wild, as long as you don't knock over the bottle, obviously, and it holds a lot, 12.3 mil. So that's quite a bit for nail polish, and I've been using it over and over and over again. I really have enjoyed it. I think it was $2. It was so cheap. So yeah, Wet n Wild, who knew? And if you have favorite brands that surprised you and that you buy from regularly now for nail polishes, I would love to hear what your recommendations are in the comments, because I'm still learning, and I'm not a nail polish aficionado by any means. I enjoy it. I'm an enthusiast. I'm no professional in that area. So if you have recommendations, I'm all ears, always. And for makeup too. Anything you have recommendations for, sign me up. I would love to hear. All right, this combo I have used before. I really like it. It's beautiful. This one is Total Eclipse, and this one is Supernova, both from Ciaté London, and they are beautiful together. I enjoy them. This is a beautiful color. I never thought I would like this color so much, and I really am a big fan. It's kind of casual, but you can get away with it in a dressy setting as well. It's just that kind of shadowy gray that, yeah, there's blue in it, but it's not intense enough to be off-putting if you have a more serious event to go to. So I really like this color to begin with, just as is, and then this pairing was quite nice. And finally, for what I have on my nails, although I've had this on my nails for a number of days now, so don't be too harsh on what my nails look like. But for the Sephora, I think it's Dream Escapade. I have to take the, Private Boudoir is this one. They put black writing on dark nail polish. I don't know why they do that. So again, this one is the Private Boudoir, and the accent that I chose to use is Gilded Goddess, and I think that you can tell that on this nail it looks quite nice. It's a very, very nice pairing. And the Sephora Color Hit nail polish has been staying really well on my nails. I don't have any complaints about it. This has been almost a week and I have one chip on one nail, I think. Yeah, I have one chip on my index finger and that's it. Everything else looks like it has weathered reasonably well. So again, I'm pretty happy with the brands of nail polish that I have been using. So Ciaté would be number 1, Sephora would be number 2, Deborah Lippmann I would put number 5, and Wet n Wild I would put number 4 for my preference as far as nail polish companies. Pretty happy. Oh, and Julie had given me some nail zinc. I definitely do like nail zinc as well as a nail polish brand. The Bottomless Brunch, which is a green color that she sent me, I absolutely love that one. It is great. And she also sent me another one from, not Colored Rain, it's, shoot, I don't remember the brand. I don't think it was China Glaze. Anyway, I'll put it on the screen when I think of it. Probably editing self is going to add that. Anyway, those are the looks that I sported over the last month. And now we are going to reveal 2 more nail polishes, these two of course of which I will make use during the month of June. So let's open up the advent calendar. Where am I at now? I think we went to 10. Yeah, it makes sense. May, pardon me, was the 5th month. And now we are in month number 6. So we should definitely be at 11 and 12. So I've got 11 here and 12. You're probably screaming at me on there we go. That's number 12 right there. So 11 and 12, let me open those boxes and we'll see what's inside. Okay, so all I did was just make sure I could open the boxes. So now the doors, so they are now freed up, but I haven't looked inside. So let's look at number 11. It says, don't quit your daydream, as opposed to day job. That's cute. And that is a very nice color for summer. Just a nice, easygoing beigey peach. And what is it called? It's called The Naked Truth. That's cute. That is a very cute name. Okay, Naked Truth. Very wearable color. And it is, I would say, beigey peach is the color. And next one, what is the saying? It says, no risk, no magic. Okay. Oh, and it is definitely a magic type of color because it's green. Perfect for springtime, in my opinion. Spring, summer. That is a good color for this time of year, for sure. Everything is green and blooming and growing. And it is called Racing Queen. Racing Queen. Okay. Interesting color and interesting name. So these are very good. This is a very good pairing. Let me just give you the front of it. Very good pairing for this time of year. I am quite pleased with this set of 2 colors for the coming month. This is great. Awesome. Well, that is it. Let me know what you thought of the looks. Let me know what you think of the 2 new colors. I would love to hear from you. And of course, any suggestions you have, always. And with that, I will say thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it every single time. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. But for now, take care.